We got another question coming from Sticky, this time about the SEO impacts around archiving and deleting pages. We have recommended deleting some pages from a client's site, either because they don't have great information or because they're outside the client's niche or authority. However, they've suggested archiving the pages instead. I'm not convinced this will add value, and I'm concerned it may potentially devalue the site. And if they do archive, should they de-index those to avoid potential duplication with other pages? Or if that is done, do they lose their value entirely? What are your thoughts here? In general, if the page offers no value to the user, like they don't provide useful or helpful information, or they don't add to the user experience of the client's site, it's better to just delete them. However, if you do that, be sure to redirect the page to another relevant replacement page so that any page authority gets passed along, such as backlinks pointing to the old page, etc. If the pages offer some value to the user, but the client doesn't necessarily need them or want them on their site, you could de-index them, which would help to avoid any duplication issues. If pages are de-indexed, they won't rank for any keywords, but they can still be crawled by Google, accumulate backlinks, and thus can still pass on ranking signals to other pages. Do you have clients asking SEO questions, but you might not have the in-house expertise to answer them? Join our agency partner club today, where you'll get free access to our help desk and therefore our SEO specialists, and they can answer any question you have under the sun regarding SEO.